Gusto kong tanungin dito Jessica Francisco, pero kilala din natin bilang Mary Ann Maslog. Opo. So, i-address ko kayo bilang Miss Maslog kahit gusto nyong i-refer sarili nyo bilang Miss Francisco. So, Miss Maslog,
Madam
ah,
Chair, Madam Chair, before you continue,
Senator De La Rosa.
can we make a formal declaration from the resource person kung sino ba talaga siya? Ano ba talaga identity niya? Before we start questioning her.
Yes, Senator De La
is she
Rosa. Ang
Jessica Francisco
Apo.
or what's the other name?
Mary Ann Maslog.
Mary Ann Maslog.
Opo. Ang hirap, no? Hindi lang isang tao yung dinidetermine natin yung identity.
Mahirap.
Dalawa pala. Okay.
Can we...
So, ma'am, ano po ba ang pangalan nyo? Sino ba kayo?
Good afternoon, Madam Chair. Good afternoon, good senators. I'm Jessica Francisco.
Okay.
And
Yun po yung sagot niya.
I'm Jessica Francisco, sir.
Okay. Yun yung sagot po niya, Senator De La Rosa.
Where did we get that name, Maslog?
Mayroon pong mga artikulo, including investigative articles na lumalabas na sa media based on linking to previous cases na kinilala itong tao di umano bilang sa isang dating or totoo niyang pangalan bilang Mary Ann Maslog.
And she was
Sir.
arrested, Madam Chair?
Yes,
With the
Senator.
indulgence of Senator, but she was
Yes.
arrested or she was detained. I don't even know her status right now
Yes.
because she is Mary Ann Maslog.
Yes,
Is that
Mr.
correct?
Yes, Senator Joel. And for the record, dun sa tanong din ni Senator De La Rosa, Mary Ann Maslog, yung di umanong namatay na textbook scammer, pero Jessica Francisco, yung bagong pangalan nila. So, yun po, Senators De La Rosa and Joel.
Mahirap mag-start mag-imbestiga ng tao, Madam Chair, na hindi natin ma-establish talaga yung real identity niya to start to begin with. So, ikaw ba talaga yung Mary Ann Maslog na accordingly na involved sa textbook scam at may istorya na namatay?
Your Honor, I invoke my right to keep silent because we have a case right now.
No. You
Sounds
cannot
familiar,
invoke that
Senator De La
right.
Rosa.
You cannot invoke that right because kung sabihin mo yung mayroong Supreme Court ruling dyan, walang sub-judice rule cannot apply in legislative inquiry in aid of legislation. You cannot invoke that right. Kaya nga, klaruhin natin ito kasi para tayong gago dito, nagtatanong kami sa iyo as Jessica Francisco, tapos ikaw pala Mary Ann Maslog din. Then, klaruhin natin ito. Dahil para mong niluloko yung committee nito kung hindi ka magsabi sa totoo mong pangalan.
Senator De La Rosa, baka pwede nating tanungin ng NBI?
NBI.
Si Attorney Magno, i-establish yung identity ng resource person. Attorney Magno, please.
Good afternoon, Madam Chair, Honorable Senators. On September 25, our Fraud and Financial Crime Division conducted an operation for against certain Dr. Jessica Francisco and allegedly one who is Mary Ann Maslog. In this particular case, they were able to confirm through forensic that this Jessica Francisco and Mary Ann Maslog is one and the same person.
What particular, Madam Chair?
Yes,
what
please,
particular forensic
Senator De La Rosa.
evidence can you provide this committee stating that he is one and the same person?
It is a fingerprint analysis, Mr. Chair, Madam Chair.
So if that is so, you confirm na siya talaga si Mary Ann Maslog?
As far as the dactyloscopy report is was made by our expert, Madam Chair.
So Madam Chair, I am inclined to believe that this committee should treat this information coming from the NBI as official.
Yes, Senator
So,
De La Rosa.
for me, you are not Jessica Francisco. You are, as far as this committee is concerned, you are Mary Ann Maslog.
Yes,
Am I
Senator
clear?
De La Rosa.
Am I correct, Mary Ann? Please remove your, am I correct to assume that you are Mary Ann?
Sir, right now we have an identity hearing on the 28th and on 29th of October in Sandigan Bayan. That's why I invoke my right to keep silent, sir.
I don't think your invocation of that privilege is applicable to this committee. I am telling you, if you keep on invoking that, I will presume that you are uncooperative to this inquiry. Madam Chair.
Yes, salamat kayo, Senator De La Rosa. The chair agrees that, and please, Comsec, could we change the nameplate to that of Mary Ann Maslog? Opo, in the same way na pinanghawakan talaga at pinanindigan natin yung dactyloscopy analysis ng NBI sa kaso ni Guo Huaping. Why should we not do the same for Mary Ann Maslog? Remembering also yung sinabi ng dactyloscopy expert nila na bawat isang fingerprint natin sa bawat daliri ay unique at hindi nagkakapareho sa sino mang ibang tao. So,
Madam Chair.
I concur. Yes, Senator, SP Pro Tempore.
Mrs. Maslog, were you involved in a textbook scam before? Because your name rings a bell. Your surname rings a bell to me.
Your Honor, that case is still in Sandigan Bayan, Your Honor. So I invoke my right to keep silent.
Were you arrested? Was she arrested? Is she detained right now?
Is she detained right now, Attorney Magno?
Madam Chair, yes.
Where is
She
she
is detained at the NBI.
NBI?
Yes, sir.
Okay. How did you get the name of Jessica Francisco? Answer.
Ms. Maslog.
Sir, like what I said, sir, there is still a case and to be heard on the 28th and on 29th of October, sir.
What case did you file against Mary Ann Maslog?
Initially, several cases of falsification of public documents were filed against her. But upon this incident, the Sandigan Bayan also issued a warrant of arrest with no bail recommendation.
Oh, bakit no bail? Ano yung plunder ba yan?
It appears that it is in connection with the textbook scam.
Textbook scam. Noong 1998 pa, 1999? I think that was during the presidency of my father. Huh? Tama ba? 1999 eh. Okay. Mary Ann
Yes,
Maslog,
1990s.
kilala mo ba si Alice Go?
Yeah.
Sir, I know of Alice Go.
Could I add to the question of SP Pro Tempore? Ever mo ba na-meet si Guo Huaping?
Yes, ma'am.
You have.
I have.
Ano yung mga circumstansya ng pag-meet nyo sa kanya? So you know her, not just know of her. Kasi paano kayo nag-meet?
Well, I met Miss Alice. The first time I met Miss Alice was in Indonesia
Mhm.
through a video.
Through a video.
Yes, ma'am.
Bakit mo siya na-meet through a video sa Indonesia? And why were you there?
Can I go back to how I went to Indonesia po?
Okay, kung context yun ng how you met Guo Huaping.
Prior to few months or weeks prior to going to Indonesia, I was tapped to possibly talk to Alice,
Tapped by?
PNP, if it's possible to, because
Are
she
you a
was
member of
supposed-
Who is PNP, Madam Chair? PNP in particular.
Senator De La Rosa.
PNP in particular. Sino?
the intelligence group, sir.
Sino? Name.
Sir, it's the IG group, sir.
IG group.
Yes, sir.
Ha? But I have an information na
So,
member ba kayo
give us the
ng
name.
member
Give us
ba
the
kayo
name.
ng PNP-IG?
no, ma'am.
Aha.
But
So, anong pangalan?
we've been waiting. Who is it?
S- General Macapas po.
Makapas.
General Macapas. So
So,
why?
paano nyo na-meet si si Guo Huaping through General Macapas in
No,
Indonesia?
I did not meet Alice through General Macapas.
So,
I was informed.
How did you meet her?
I was stopped po kasi they know that I am a friend of Mayor Kalugay.
okay, friend kayo ni Mayor Kalugay.
Yes.
How
And
are you a friend of Mayor Kalugay?
I've met Mayor Kalugay 2022 through
How?
Dante Katabay.
Dante Katabay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Oh. Okay, how did
Madam
you...
Chair, Madam
Yes,
Chair. Rowan,
Senator De La Rosa.
can you confirm that? Mayor
Yes.
Kalugay? Mayor Kalugay? Can you confirm that? Kilala kayo?
Opo, Your Honor.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Thank you, Senator De La Rosa. Salamat kayo. So, okay, so you met Mayor Kalugay through Dante Katabay.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, baka gusto pa namin i-pursue yan, but continue muna. Paano mo na-meet si Guo Huaping at anong papel ni General Macapas?
No, they were just requesting if it is possible po kaya na kasi there was a talk na mag-surrender po si Miss Alice.
Who's
So ang nangyari
Who's
po,
talk that she would
then,
surrender?
meron pong mga sa newspaper na magsusurrender po si Miss Alice. So meron na po kasing lumabas that time na warrant from your office.
From the Senate.
From the Senate po.
Mhm.
So, I talked to Mayor Kalugay if there is a way for him to contact Miss Alice.
Bakit mo naisip na through Mayor Kalugay makokontakt mo si Guo Huaping? Anong pagkaalam mo sa ugnayan nila?
Sa pool.
Are they business partners, for example?
I don't think so.
Your Honor, I was told po that they had a relationship.
Told
Oh.
by?
Kasi po,
What kind of a relationship?
ang pagkakaalam ko po, sir, but I've never seen them together. But I will tell you, ang pagkakaalam ko po, that naging mag-on po sila. That's it.
Okay, so that's why you asked Mayor Kalugay paano kontakin si Guo Huaping.
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
kinikilig to si Alice Go. Kita mo.
Natatawa pa
Guo
po yung
Huaping.
She's squirming on
Okay.
her.
Okay, sandali lang. You're not yet recognized to speak at this moment. So, Ms. Maslog, after nagtanong kayo kay Mayor Kalugay, paano nyo kinontak si Guo Huaping?
Actually po, in fairness to Mayor Kalugay, he said po he does not want to involve himself.
Okay,
And
so
he
paano nyo
has no
finally
way.
na-contact
He
si
said
Guo
po,
Huaping?
he has no way of contacting Alice.
So, paano nyo siya na-contact?
So what happened po was so we backtrack and
Madam Chair.
Senator De La Rosa.
Gusto ko lang maklaro, Madam Chair. Paano ka nakapasok sa eksena? Were you the one who volunteered to General Macapas or Macapas approached you? Which is which?
aware po kasi sila na magkaibigan po kami ni Mayor Kalugay. That is the only reason po.
So, you mean to say, si General Macapas ang kumontak sa'yo na tulungan mo kami na mapasurrender si Alice Go?
Yes, sir.
Siya ang...
We are actually, sir, I don't know how to explain it. Kasi meron na nga pong warrant during the time po, sir.
Hindi. Ang tanong ko is, yung paano nag-start ito? Ikaw bang pumunta kay Makapas, nag-volunteer ka, or si Makapas pumunta sa'yo para humingi ng tulong sa'yo?
I wouldn't say they were asking for help. They were just saying po na if it is possible to contact the good mayor. If
Ikaw,
he knows
kalaruin natin,
po.
ikaw ang nilapitan ni Makapas.
Yes, sir.
Why? Why in the world? Bakit ikaw pinunta ni Makapas?
No, sir, it is like what I said po, sir. They are aware of my friendship with the mayor.
So, meaning to say, matagal ka nang kilala ni Makapas.
Yes, sir.
Matagal ka nang kilala ni Makapas, ha?
Yes.
So, nilapitan ka niya para tumulong.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you, Madam Chair.
Madam Chair,
Salamat
if I may,
kayo,
I just-
Senator
I
De
just-
La Rosa.
sorry,
Senator
sorry,
Joel.
Madam Chair, because I'm not buying a lot of lies here. We have heard too much lies, Madam Chair. You were saying you were tapped by General Macapas. Why were you tapped by General Macapas? Do you have any extraordinary powers, skills? Bakit ikaw?
Like what I said, Your Honor, thank you for that question. It is because only they are very aware of my friendship with the mayor.
This is not Miss Universe, Miss Mary Ann Maslog. This is not Miss Universe. They can go straight to Mayor Kalugay. If they feel that he is a trustworthy public official, they can go straight to him. So, following your story, if General Macapas stopped you, you must have something no one actually has or possess that kind of skill. Because you were able to pull that thing that you were supposed to be dead for so long and now you're alive. So tell us, why were you tapped by General Macapas? And for what?
That's the only thing, Your Honor, like what I said,
Madam
because of my relationship with the mayor.
Hindi,
Senator De La Rosa.
hindi kaya ang unique na sitwasyon mo because meron kang kaso na textbook scam, kaya ka ginamit at ikaw no choice ka dahil parang hostage ka ng gobyerno dahil may kaso ka ng textbook scam. Kung hindi ka magpapagamit, okay. Did you visit Alice Go doon sa detention niya sa dito muna.
Senator De La Rosa, if I may, backtrack ng konti.
Backtrack ko.
Opo. Paano kayo nag-usap ni Guo Huaping sa Indonesia? Video call ba yon? O sino nag-arrange nun? Paano kayo nag-usap?
Your Honor, I went to Indonesia 2 times.
Uh-huh.
The first time po kasi was, there was a talk that Alice is ready to surrender.
Okay.
So,
Kaya
ano
po-
pakialam mo dun? Punta kayo Indonesia para kausapin si Alice Go. Hindi talaga, ano pa talaga pakialam mo dun?
Oo nga eh.
Ha?
Kanina, tinanong ko rin, PNP-IG member ba kayo?
CIA ka ba?
Hindi rin.
Remember ha, kahit na nakakulong
Senator De La
ka,
Rosa.
you are under oath. Ha?
Yes.
You do not make up stories here.
I'm not
Madali ka
making up
mahuli dito.
stories, sir.
Kaya nga, bakit nag-iisip ka nga? Oh, ang tagal mo mag-isip. Simple question coming from Senator Joel Villanueva o ni si Senator Jingo Estrada. Anong papel mo doon? Bakit ka pumunta ng Indonesia para kausapin si Guo Huaping? Anong papel mo? Sige.
Madam Chair, this
You
has,
convince us.
Senator Sherwin.
this has no connection to your case.
Yeah.
Kaya pag hindi ka sasagot,
Mm-mm.
you can be
Cited.
cited in contempt.
At saka, who told you that Guo Huaping was in Indonesia? Eh nung panahong
Oo nga.
yun, sinasabi pa ng PNP na at ng law enforcement in general na hindi pa nila alam noon na umalis si Guo Huaping. So, paano mo alam na nandun pala siya sa Indonesia?
Actually, Your Honor, that happened after your announcement po.
So, you heard about it, General Makapas heard about it, or PNP-IG heard about it, and you're the person they sent to meet her in Indonesia?
No,
So what happened? Paano mo nakausap si Guo Huaping sa Indonesia? Was it face-to-face? Was it a video call? How did you do it?
there was a pre-talk po here because I
By video.
no,
No.
dito pa po sa Pilipinas, Your Honor, before
Face
we
to
went
face.
to Indonesia. No, Your
No.
Honor. It was through a telephone call.
Okay.
It was through a telephone call that she signified na surrender po siya.
Okay.
Then, during the time po, when she signified na magsusurrender po siya, sabi niya, susulat daw muna siya. She will write everything daw po muna.
Right what?
Kung ano ang the real story bago po siya mag-surrender.
Okay.
Para po, if something happens to her, then may makakaalam.
What something would happen to her?
I don't know, Your Honor, but that was the words during the time po.
May makakaalam.
Yes po.
And
So,
then,
we did not know that she was in Indonesia.
who we, PNP-IG and General Macapas and you?
I actually keep in touch with
With whom?
with the lawyer, Your Honor.
Okay. Attorney David. Okay.
Yes,
And then?
Your Honor. And we really tried our best na sana mag-surrender siya kasi gusto naman po talaga daw niyang mag-surrender.
Madam Chair,
Okay.
if I may.
Yes, SP Pro Tempore.
Who are you to meet Jade? Who gave you the authority to go to Indonesia and talk to Alice Go?
Actually, we were not
Go
Can,
ahead.
can I go back one question to General Macapas?
Yeah, Senator Bato and then
General
Senator-
Macapas? General Macapas? General Macapas? Wala na.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Thank you.
Sir.
Yeah, yeah.
Sir, good afternoon, sir. Your Honor, sir.
Yeah, paano sabi mo kanina ito si Mary Ann Maslog nag-volunteer sa iyo na information. Paano siya nakapunta sa iyo? Dumirita lang siya doon sa opisina mo, may nagdala sa kanya o sino nag-introduce sa kanya sa iyo?
As I have said earlier, Your Honor, nakilala ko po si Ma'am Jessica kasi ang pakilala ko sa kanya, sir. During the time na saya pa lang ako ng DCO. So from there, minsan nagte-text na siya sa akin tapos nagbibigay ng information.
Kaya nga, paano mo siya nakilala? Tinatanong ko, the circumstances behind, paano mo siya nakilala?
Bumisita po kasi siya minsan, sir, nung boss ko dati, nung nasa DCO pa po ako. Ako po ang saya, kaya ako ang nag-entertain sa kanya. Dahil wala po
So,
yung...
okay, first, nagkakilala.
Opo. Year 2022.
Sino yung boss mo?
Si, sir, Police Lieutenant General Benjamin Santos, sir.
Benjamin Santos.
Yes, sir.
So pagdating dito kay Alice Go, siya mismo pumunta sa iyo about Alice Go?
If I recall it right, sir, ano lang yun, sir? Parang tawagan lang namin, sir, na nabanggit niya na may access siya kay Alice. So, through Attorney David, nakausapin namin. So, kinagat ko yung informasyon na yun, sir.
Thank you. Thank you, General Macapas. That
Yes, sir.
would be all,
Mr. Chair,
Sen-
if I may.
yes, Senate President Pro Tempore.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mary Ann, alam mong wanted ka rito sa Pilipinas, di ba? Kaso ka.
Your Honor, that case is still in Sandigan Bayan po.
Yes.
Your Honor.
Di ba, nagpanggap kang namatay, kaya nawala yung kaso. Pero alam mo may kaso ka. May pending case ka. Ano hinahanap ka ng otoridad?
It is still in Sandigan.
No, I'm asking you if you know that you have a case.
Your Honor, the case is still in Sandigan
Alright.
Bayan.
O, di
Sir,
meron kang
refuse to
kaso.
answer po.
Okay. Nung pumunta ka sa Indonesia, anong passport ang gamit mo?
My name po, Jessica Francisco.
Is that your real name?
I am Jessica Francisco.
You are not Marian Maslog?
Your Honor, there is a case about my identity
I'm
po, Your
asking you,
Honor.
what is your real name?
I am Jessica Francisco po.
Can you produce us your certificate that you're indeed Jessica Francisco?
I don't have it with me, Your Honor.
But you have a birth certificate
Yes, Your Honor.
indicating that you're the real Jessica Francisco?
Yes, Your Honor.
Who is this Mary Ann Maslog?
Like what I said, Your Honor. I
Who is
refuse-
Mary Ann Maslog?
There
Di
is
ba
a
ikaw to?
case.
When you were still 30 pounds lighter? Ikaw ba to? And you were trying to bribe officials in Malacanang during the term of my father? Because of that textbook scam? Says here, you're bag woman, Mary Ann Maslog. Photographed here on March 9, 1999. Ikaw ba to?
There is a pending case,
Ikaw
Your
ba
Honor.
ito? That's not related to your case. I'm asking you kung ikaw to. If this is you.
Your Honor, there is a pending.
If this is you.
I cannot say, Your Honor.
Oh, padala mo, baka malabo mata. Page, padala mo sa kanya.
Passport ang gamit mo. Anong bansa?
Philippine passport po.
Philippine passport ang gamit mo.
Yes, Your Honor.
Isa lang ba ang passport mo?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala ka ng ibang passport?
Wala po, Your Honor.
May Philippine birth certificate ka?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, nandito taga DFA. Can you please check attorney? Okay, Director, kung anong ginamit na passport nitong si Mary Ann Maslog, tsaka sa BI, Attorney Viado, can you please check or verify anong passport ang ginamit nitong babae ito? Yes, please.
We will check.
What is your middle initial? Huh?
Sese, Your Honor.
Sese.
Yes, Your
Pwede po pa-flash ano?
Yes, sa COMSEC.
Sa COMSEC. Okay, we will flash your your passport. Who is any representative from the NBI? All right. Meron na ba kayo resulta dyan na si Mary Ann Maslog at si Jessica Francisco ay isang tao lang?
Based on the fingerprint examination conducted, sir,
Yes.
in the files that she has with the NBI and a file before fingerprint file before the courts, it was proven that the fingerprint belonged to one and the same person.
Di nagsisinungaling to. What's the name of your father?
David Francisco po.
Mother?
Corazon Sese po. Salvador.
Can you verify this, please? Anybody from the PSA?
Anyone from the PSA, please send us the birth certificate. Pakipadala lang sa amin.
Where were you born?
I was born in Quezon City po.
Quezon City? And COMSEC, pwedeng pa-check sa civil registry if indeed there is a Jessica Francisco who was born on, what's your birthday?
December 30, 1985.
December 30, 1985. So how old are you now? Alam mo, ikaw napakasinungaling mo ha. 1985 ka pinanganak. Nasaan yung litrato? 1999, nagninegosyo ka na. 14 anyos ka? 14 anyos ka? Ha? Nasaan yung litrato? Alam mo, wag mo kaming lokohin dito, ha? Ako ngahingil ako tumayo dahil 1999, nagninegosyo ka na, nagkaroon ka na ng scam. 14 anyos, nanakaw ka na. Oh, 1999, may textbook scam ka na. Ano nakalagay dyan, 1985? Ano, 14 years old? Minor de edad? May pinatawag ka na ng house? Oh? Nagninegosyo ka na? Ano?
I invoke my right, sir, to remain silent because there is a case po in Sandigan which will
No.
be taken on October
Alam mo,
28.
Alam mo, ikaw na siguro ang reyna ng mga kasinungalingan eh. Imagine, ngayon ko lang napagtanto. 1985 ka pinanganak. Mukha mo ba yan? Is that you?
Yes, sir.
Oh, assuming that is true, your passport is true. Driver's license ba? Passport, yung passport. Ilan taon ka na ngayon?
Going 39 po.
39. 1999, 14 years old nga. God damn it, you're a pathological liar. Sinungaling ka talaga, ano? Pero, saan ka kumuha passport?
In DFA po.
Saan branch? Ha?
Kalasyaw po.
Kalasyaw.
Yes.
Ano ba requirements when you obtain a passport? Birth certificate?
Birth certificate and valid ID. For
and
first time.
valid ID
For a
for
first
first timer. Is this
Renewal-
your first passport?
Yes, Your Honor.
Wala ba siyang passport na Mary Ann Maslog
We are double checked.
right now?
Yes.
Okay.
Malamang Senator Jinggoy peke ang birth certificate niyan. The same
Yeah.
case as what we saw with Go Huaping and yung mga pekeng birth certificate na ini-issue. Malamang malaking tsansa na peke rin yung birth certificate niya to assume a different identity.
Mhm. Meron nakapunta ka na sa Amerika?
Sir, I invoke my right po to.
Bakit?
Kasi
Ba't
po,
mo in-invoke?
there is a
Tinatanong
case,
ko nakapunta ka na sa Amerika, ano masama doon?
there is a case po kasi about my identity sa Sandigan Bayan po.
Hmm?
So I invoke my right to keep silent.
Ang tinatanong ko lang kung nakapunta ka na sa Amerika, is that incriminating? I don't think that is an incriminating question. Oh,
There is a case po regarding by bench warrant on the 28 to prove my identity po. So I invoke my right to keep silent, sir.
do you have a case in the United States? You have a case in the United States?
No, Your Honor.
Really?
Yes,
Now
Your
I will read to you. Former textbook agent Mary Ann Maslog, who tried bribing officials of the DBM in 1999 so that her firm could wangle a 200 million textbook contract, is now Mary Ann Smith, married to an American who allegedly became her partner in crime. Court records show in Orange County, Florida, that Maslog is wanted for theft and scheme to defraud. She is facing charges of grand theft amounting to more than $100,000 and scheme to defraud in the amount of $50,000, which are classified as criminal felonies punishable with imprisonment. Maslog also has been charged with civil traffic infraction for proper backing. May kaso ka pala sa Amerika.
I don't have a case in America, Your Honor.
Really?
Yes,
Or
Your Honor.
when was the last time you went to the United States?
Like what I said, Your Honor, I invoke my right.
Sinasabi mo wala kang case. Ngayon tinatanong ko kung kailan ka pumunta, ay mo sumagot.
I,
Bakit ito sinagot mo?
I refuse to answer, Your Honor. I invoke the right to keep silent because of the case in Sandigan Bayan.
Mr. NBI, Mr. Agent, pwede bang ikulong na lang dito yan? We'll just make representations with the NBI.
Sir, she has a commitment order with the from the Sandigan Bayan.
All right.
Madam Chair, Mr.
Madam.
Chair, sorry. Ang hirap ng walang kain the whole day. Mr. Chairman, with the indulgence of our Senate President Pro Temp, I think we are wasting our time with this pathological liar. Wala na pong kaso sa Pilipinas na hindi na check. Lahat ng kaso kinaso na sa kanya. May check na ho lahat. So, can we proceed if I can appeal to the members and the chair so we can proceed to other matters, Your Honors, Mr. Chairman.
I submit.
I
share the same sentiment na to our colleagues, Senator Francis, Senator Joel, and Senator Jinggoy, na professional con artist tong kaharap natin at wala tayong makukuhang tama at totoong sagot dito sa taong to. Magsisinungaling lang siya buong gabi at lolokohin lang niya tayo buong gabi at wala naman siyang naibibigay na produktibong sagot para sa atin. So